In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid eToro's conversion fee. If you're an active user of eToro, or even if you're just getting started, understanding how to minimize fees can make a significant difference in your investment journey. So let's dive into a particularly effective way to avoid these pesky conversion fees, by depositing in USD whenever possible. To start off, let's talk about why this matters. eToro, like many financial platforms, charges a conversion fee when currency needs to be converted during transactions. This fee can eat into your investment capital, potentially impacting your returns over time. Thus, finding ways to bypass this fee can be highly beneficial. The good news is, if your bank or payment provider supports it, depositing funds in USD directly into your eToro account is a smart workaround to this issue. Now, let's discuss how you can actually go about doing this. First, check with your bank or payment provider to see if they're able to hold and send funds in USD. Many banks offer multi-currency accounts that allow you to hold balances in different currencies, including USD. If you're not sure, a quick phone call to your bank or browsing through their online banking options can clarify this for you. Once you confirm this capability, it's worthwhile to ask them if there are any fees associated with sending USD. While eToro's conversion fees can be avoided through this method, it's important to verify if your bank imposes its own fees on currency conversion or transfer, as these can vary based on the provider. With this information at hand, let's proceed with the steps. If your bank or payment provider does support USD transactions, ensure that your account is set up to hold and send USD. This may involve online settings adjustments, or in some cases, a visit to your local branch. Once your account is ready for USD handling, you can make a deposit directly into your eToro account. When initiating the transfer, make sure to select USD as your preferred currency. This step is crucial. Otherwise, the transaction might automatically revert to your local currency, leading to unwanted conversion fees. Lastly, even though the focus here is on avoiding eToro's conversion fees and depositing in USD is a solid strategy, always remember to keep an eye out for any additional charges from your own financial institution. Transaction costs and commission fees can vary significantly, so staying informed helps ensure that you're truly maximizing your savings. And there you have it. By taking these steps, you can bypass eToro's conversion fees and keep more of your investment capital working for you. With careful planning and the right banking setup, you can make your investment journey more cost-efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your financial strategies.